Good morning, everybody. Today we are discussing the next chapter, alkaloid and terpenoid. As you know that the organic chemistry is originated from the natural study of the natural products, and we can classify the natural product into two different classification as the alkaloid and terpenoid. So first of all we are discussing the alkaloid. Alkaloid means the definition says that the alkaloid is a commonly used to designate the basic heterocyclic nitrogenous compound from the plant origin that have some physiological activities. So the first uh, alkaloid was introduced by the Meissner in 1990 to describe the some of the group of the nitrogenous base of the plant origin which have the some physiological actions. So first alkaloid is the isolation of the morphine from opium by the Sir Turner in 1806. This is the opium tree, and we have isolated the morphine in the very long years back in 1806, and after that we have discovered more than 2500 alkaloid are now known. Okay, so we can isolate the alkaloid have some toxic effect also. We have to study the what are the properties are present for the alkaloid. So alkaloid have some common characteristics, like they are most of them are plant origin, and most of them are basic in nature, and they have a very complex structure with nitrogen heterocyclic and significant physiological activities. So we have discussed the definition of the alkaloid earlier, but some of the alkaloid, for example ephedrine, which is not a nitrogen is not present in the part of an heterocyclic, but even then they are alkaloid. This is the exception case. So similarly piperine, it is isolated from black pepper. It does not have any toxic effect, and but even then it is considered to be a alkaloid. And similarly purine, which is not belong to the class of the alkaloid, but some of the alkaloid are originated from the animal also, now it is known, so they are also belong to the alkaloid. So these are the some of the four exceptional case, and now we can classify. This is the first alkaloid which are find out from the opium. This is the morphine, and what is the importance of the morphine? Morphine is used for the anesthetic purpose before the surgery. Okay, now we are classify the alkaloid into 10 different classes. First one is the phenyl phenyl ethyl amine alkaloid, pyridine alkaloid, pyrrolidine, pyridine, pyrrolidine, piperidine, quinoline, isoquinoline, indole, and tropane alkaloid. And there is a one more class, that is the phenandrine alkaloid. These are the classification of the alkaloid on the basis of their chemical nature. Okay, again we can classify the alkaloid on the basis of the pharmacological method classification. They are analgesic alkaloid, and they are cardioactive alkaloids are there. And again we can classify the alkaloid on the basis of the genome, and like ephedra and synchrona, etc. So now as we are discussing the chemistry students, so that's why we are classifying the alkaloid on the basis of the chemical nature. Thank you.